Good morning. Earlier this year, the Government of Canada announced that they would be introducing a new first-time homebuyers incentive. Well, the details are in, and the program is about to get underway. In fact, they're going to start taking applications for this new program on September 2nd, and the first closings that are going to take place under this new program are going to start happening on November 1st of 2019. We're going to get into what this program is all about, but it's actually fairly complex. There's a lot of details, so I'm going to create a three-part series on this. This particular video, I'm just going to discuss some of the key points about the program. If you meet the government's criteria of what a first-time homebuyer is, you can apply for either a 5% or a 10% shared equity mortgage. A shared equity mortgage is one in which the government shares both the upside and the downside of the property with you. So let's talk more about how this will work. The incentive enables first-time homebuyers to reduce their monthly mortgage payments while at the same time not increasing their down payment. So essentially the government's entering into a silent partnership with you, fronting you money. There's no set repayment terms, there's no monthly repayments, and the way it works is that the earlier of the time that you sell your house or 25 years, you pay back that 5 or 10% of the amount that they fronted you. So 5% is what they front you for a resale home, or you could choose to take 5% or 10% for new construction. Now, once you go to sell your property, you repay that 5% of what the current market value of the property is upon the sale, or if you keep the home for 25 years, at the end of 25 years, your property value is assessed by an appraiser and you pay them back either that 5 or 10%. So let's just do a quick little example. Let's say you purchase a home for $400,000. Let's say it's a new construction home and they front you 10%. So they're fronting you $40,000. Well, let's say over the course of 5 years, your property value increases to $600,000 and you go to sell that property for $600,000. The government has an equity stake in your home of 10%. So you need to repay the government $60,000 upon the sale of your property. Now, let's say the market takes a downturn and your $400,000 property in 5 years has just been cut in half and is now $200,000. So the government initially fronted you $40,000, but after the 5 years you sell, you're only able to recapture $200,000 for your home. Well, now you only need to repay the government $20,000. So I hope that clarifies a little bit about what this incentive is. Again, it's fairly complex. There's a lot of terms and conditions. In the details below or the description below this video, I'm providing the full government link so that you could read up on the entire program. And I'm also going to create a couple more parts to this video series to provide you with further details. So I hope you found this video useful today. If you're a first-time buyer and you'd like more information about the program or you'd like to get your search started, please give me a call. I'd be happy to help you out.